Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to show you how a few simple lines can transform into an intricate floral composition. We're drawing on black paper today using gold and white gel pens, which give such a gorgeous glowing contrast. So grab your favorite pens and let's create something beautiful together. I'm beginning with two small spirals. I'm placing them fairly close to each other. Now, from these little spirals, I'm going to extend upward and create a long, curved, paisley-like leaf shape. I have this beautiful open space inside the shape. We'll draw a tiny teardrop shape and add fine horizontal hatching to create a feather-like texture, reminiscent of a peacock motif. That gives the paisley a much more organic look. Now I'm looking at the space around this first element and adding a few small leaves and curves. This is how I like to build my doodles, one area at a time, allowing each new element to guide the next. And now I'm ready to bring in our first main flower. I'm starting with these soft, rounded petals and slowly building the flower around its center. When you're drawing freehand, it's completely fine if one petal is slightly larger or curves a little differently from the next one. Now I'm going to add some of my lighter details. I'm bringing in a little white to create highlights within some of these areas. I don't want to use white everywhere because I want to keep the gold as the main character of the drawing. Just a few little highlights are enough to create contrast and make certain details stand out against the black background. Now let's move toward another open area of the composition. Here, I'm going to introduce another larger leaf or paisley form. Again, I'm starting with the outside shape first. Once I'm happy with the overall form, I'm bringing the details inward and following the natural curve of the leaf. Notice that although this leaf is similar to the first one, I'm not trying to copy it exactly. I'm adding some smaller tear shapes around this larger leaf. These are much simpler than our main elements, and that's intentional. Now I'm ready for another important flower. This one has a more curvy and slightly pointy structure, so I'm beginning with the center and slowly working outward. I'm building the petals around the center and keeping the overall shape nice and pointy. I love using different flower forms in the same doodle. I'm I'm bringing the white pen and adding little details inside the petals. Now I'm going back into some of these smaller areas and adding little buds. I'm also changing their direction slightly. Some can point upward, some can curve to the side, and others can tuck gently between two larger elements. This gives the drawing a sense of movement. Now I'm going to create one of the main flowers in this composition. I'm starting from the center with a simple spiral and gradually building it outward into a beautiful circular flower. Once the spiral is complete, I'm adding these rounded petals all around the outside, keeping them evenly spaced while allowing each petal to have its own natural shape. Now comes my favorite part, adding the delicate details with the white pen. I'm placing these small white strokes and dots inside each petal, following the direction of the shape. The white details add a lovely contrast against the black background and make the flower really stand out. As I continue upward, I'm adding another leaf form and small circular flowers exactly similar to the previous ones and connecting it visually with the flower around it. Now comes one of my favorite parts, the tiny flowers. These are very small, so don't overthink them. I'm creating little rounded floral shapes in these open areas. And I'm trying making every tiny flower the same size. I'm also adding little spirals and dots around them. I'm also leaving some open space so the detailed areas can breathe. Finally, I'm adding a few delicate finishing touches to bring everything together. And here we are. Our floral doodle is complete. I hope this tutorial inspires you to create your own version. If you enjoyed drawing with me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more relaxing floral doodles and mindful drawing tutorials. Thank you for spending this creative time with me. Keep drawing, keep creating, and most importantly, enjoy the process.